welcome to my vlog. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa final round UPBC fight between Adamya versus Hatoria.
Makikita natin dito na excited ang lahat. Talagang inaabangan nila ang tapatan ng Adamya versus Hatoria. Pinaglalabanan nila ang gintong medalya. Kaya tunghayan natin ang kanilang tagisan.
And this is where we believe in. Power is the ability to change and alter the world. The same as if I am Haramilia, the mother of Perina, I would definitely give the throne to Perina. Simply because Perina is
Right, or she is the next in line on the throne. But due to her connection to
So I have trusted servants who is named Gorna, who can assist and take good care of my daughters.
And the winner goes to Adamya Kas. Congratulations. The score is 6 Adamya, 1 Hatoria.